Let's create and save our source file for our Endpaper patterns. We're going to go to File, New, and we want to put in, if you just go to click on Print at the top, you can click on Letter. It's a letter size piece of paper. Let's make this inches instead of points, and then you can see it's 8.5 wide by 11 inches high. Let's call this my first name, my last name, and let's just call this Endpapers. Let's change this to RGB. We don't need to worry about bleed right now because we're not printing it. If we were printing these out, we would want to put in some bleed area. And we want 3 artboards, and the raster is 300 ppi, so we'll say create. Okay, and now we need to save this. So File, let's just save as. When you save as, it should already have the name that you entered when you made it a new file, so just keep that, put it in your the correct folder for your assignment for this class. This should be an AI file, and then we're just going to click on save. If you are using an older version of Photoshop, save down. If not, just save it as 2020, say OK. And that's all you need to do.